Hello, downloading and installing CentOS 8, you will need internet connection, 8 GB USB stick, a CentOS ISO file, and Balena etcher. So we'll go ahead and search for CentOS, download, and we will go on the first page that we see, and from there we will click CentOS Linux ISO and click the first mirror image. So we can now go ahead and download Balena etcher. We search for that, we go on the first page, and you can see you can download it for Mac and Linux, and yeah, you can do this tutorial following from any operating system. So you download it here. In my case, I downloaded it for Windows. And now we wait for the apps to finish downloading. So we install Balena etcher. Here's the setup. Sorry for bringing it from the other screen. So this is basically the setup. I skipped some parts of the tutorial, so that's why it's jumping like this. It will take some time, so please have patience. So now we have to select our image. Our ISO has finished downloading. So go in downloads and select CentOS image file. Now select your USB drive or flash drive you just inserted in your computer. In my case, the Jet Flash 8 GB USB stick. Please keep in mind that at this point everything will be erased. And now let's hit flash. The CentOS image will now be put on your flash drive. So now it's starting to flash it. I skipped some parts of this, and this is the end screen. That's what you see at the end after it's completed. So it's completed. Now we pop up our USB dongle and put it in our PC. We want to format, and this is the startup. At the startup, I will choose the boot menu to boot from my Jet Flash, so like flash drives. For my 8 GB flash drive, you can choose whatever you want. Here's the language. I click continue. I leave it in English. Next up, languages, time and date. Okay, I'll put this in my region here. I'll put Berlin time, so that's 2 hours behind. Okay, it was too much, it was 10 o'clock. So installation source, this is our USB dongle, USB stick. We won't change that. Software selection, so I want this to be a workstation with no other software installed. So I'm just going to take the basic installation. And for workstation, for a laptop, that's my laptop here. So we'll choose now where the CentOS will be installed to. So we'll now choose my SSD drive. Please keep in mind that it will be deleted, formatted. As we can see now, it was Windows on this, and I need to format it again. So basically I need to click on reclaim space, select everything there, select all with delete all, and click on reclaim space. So I've selected my old NTFS files, and now they will be scheduled for deletion. Network, I didn't touch that, so we are just gonna begin with the installation. Now you can set up your username, your user, and root password. So please put the root password a different password as the one you use for your user. So we set those two up. We have to reboot now. I click reboot, and we will be given 2 options to start up in our CentOS. We'll choose the first one. The second one can be removed. Maybe I'll make a video about that as well. We click on license information. We click I accept the license agreement, and then we click done. And once again, finish configuration. And now we are into the system. So this is me, my account I just made. CentOS, yeah, I'll put my password in and hit enter. Now I am in CentOS. I tried here to download Google Chrome, so this is like a bonus footage. It says here that I'm not in the sudoers file, so what you need to do is write su, put your password for the root user, type in usermod minus small a big G, capital G, wheel, and then your current username, not the root username, but your username. Hit enter and then restart. Now we can do a sudo -l, and we can, after entering our password, we can see that we can actually install stuff and use this operating system. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a like if it helped you. If not, leave a comment. Maybe we can help you out. Bye.